Oh, there's that. Oh, you're back. What is it you're doing back? I came back from the water. Oh, you've just knocked it off the table. Go and pick it up off the floor. Where's that clever cat? He's doing the brightest. Very good. There's a hand there. Now, you've came back for the water. Did you not get a drink through you off your bowl?
Oh, I was not in the bubble.
Oh, you've knocked off the table again. You're a donut, aren't you?
Yes. Oh.
This isn't working, is it?
No, I just don't know what to do. There's no props. I need props. I'm an actor. I can't act without props. Where's my bottle?
No, I think you'll have to pick it up off the floor. Your owner's trying to pick up his teeth. Oh, there it is. It's back again. It's that human hand again. Right, well, you've got one more second to it. This is your last chance.
You've got. Oh, you're very clever.
What a clever cat that was. Yes, we'll try again. Try it one more time.
I'm really thirsty. I want some water. I want some.
You never done a very good job. You want to try again.
I'm going to get it this time.
Oh, never. You idiot.